El Maestro Speaks podcast.
Fine, but the competition will bring out the best out of the two of you. So before I was telling them that this is a good outcome because uh, you will improve each other,
Yeah.
and then kapag naging ano yan, Team Lakay, Alliance MMA, parang the two topmost MMA team in the Philippines, and
Yeah.
then it will benefit the two of you, sabi ko doon. And then so parang yeah, it's good. And then here comes the issue. Can you give me your take on that one?
At first, when they left,
Mm,
Edward left, ganito. The first question there is, um, before they left, we have this meeting,
yeah.
team meeting.
So talagang nag-usap
Oh,
talaga
I
kayo.
told them, as much as possible, I want this to be silent,
Yeah.
to be healthy, yan. So sinabi ko sa kanila na if you go out, gawin lang natin kasi at the end of the day, tatawanan lang tayo. I have a
Exactly.
1 hour video on that meeting.
Mm, mm,
So yun yung sinabi ko sa kanila. After a while, they left, nagpaalam na yung apat.
mm.
Pagkapaalam nila, mamaya, they're announcing it na individually. Isa, after how many days or weeks, isa hanggang sa kwan. So I don't know their purpose.
Mm.
But according to them, magbe-venture sila. And
Yeah.
before that, sabi ko, venturing hindi naman bawal sa atin.
Yes.
They can go anywhere.
Mm.
Pumupunta nga pa nga sila sa Manila to train with other team, to cross-train with other team. I just don't know the real reason.
Mm.
So, ayan. So, hanggang bakit isa-isa umalis? Hanggang may lumabas doon sa kakilala nilang, and to the extent na bakit nalaman yung about contract.
Yeah.
Yung
Oh,
kontrata, andun confidential. That's
Yeah.
very confidential.
Mm.
And naipalabas niya yun hanggang daw pinagbabawal ko ang pag-fellowship,
Sa Bible study.
Bible study, mga ganyan, dahil ganito ganyan. Sabi ko, kasi nungalingan.
Mm.
Kasi nung una, magkakasama tayo, no? Inalagaan ko kayo kas kapatid, mentor, ganyan, hanggang pati pag-aaral nyo, nasikaso natin,
Yeah.
hanggang iba sa kanila nakapagtapos. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi man sila nagsalita ng mga ganon, pero may mga kasama din tayong bumabalik dito na pumunta sa kanila.
Mm.
And ayaw ko rin kasi hearsay yung mga iba doon na sinasabi na ganito, ganyan, ganyan. But through their actions, through kung may mga competitions natin, binuboycott, ayaw nilang sumali.
Mm.
So, sabi ko, bakit? No?
Mm.
And yan nga, sabi ko, to fix everything. Kasi kung tinatawagan ko sila, hindi sila sumasagot.
Mm.
Kaya sabi ko, sa mga nakakontrata, nakiusap ako sa GAB, if you can mediate,
Oo.
kasi gusto ko nang malaman. And that's two-way contract.
Okay.
No? That's a two-way contract.
Mm.
Hindi ko yan pero may nangyari sa inyo. May number 16 doon, sinasabi niya na liable ako financially
Mm.
if something happened to them.
Yeah.
So, ayun. So
the
tapos,
mediation, the planned mediation was that to fix everything.
Yeah.
It's not to make them come back to the
Diba?
team.
No.
Yeah. No.
Kasi kung ayaw nila sa akin, why? Why will I
Mm.
insist?
Yeah. Tama.
We're just humans. Magkakapatid nga, maghiwa-hiwalay yan.
Yes,
Pag lumaki
exactly.
sila, and they will have their own families.
Mm.
That's normal to me. Gusto ko lang dito maging healthy.
Yeah.
When we see each other, walang nagtatago, walang ganyan. And walang siraan.
Especially so na nalipit nila Trinidad.
Oo, di ba? Siya pinakalakay dito. I'm the
Yeah.
oldest here. Sabi, ako sana yung nadadagdagan pa ng pasensya dito at
Ah.
gumawa ng paraan. Hindi na aabot doon pa sa korte.
Mm.
Why would we?
Yeah.
Parang magkakapatid na tayo, but yun, ako yung lalabas na pangit. Yun lang yung masakit na, siyempre, yung sabi mo, ang sikip-sikip na nga ng Trinidad, ang liit na ng natin, aabot pa sa mga ganyan.
Yeah.
It's hurting, pero ganyan minsan. Pero I believe, nagbigay naman daw sila ng response na masyadong short yung time noon. Kahit na ako, busy naman tayo pero pumunta pa rin ako kahit
Mm.
short yung notice. Andun yung chairman tsaka dalawang abogado na plus the secretary.
Yeah.
And hopefully, yung susunod, because we have also lawyers here. We have legal.
Yeah.
Anong silbing nagbabayad tayo ng mga legal para i-defend yung company natin. Ang gusto naman natin dito lang is maayos lahat.
Nice.
Hindi yung magsiraan.
Yeah. So that's the bottom point of the mediation.
Yeah.
I hope, and I'm hoping that that would happen. Kasi, but then looking at it as somebody who knows the stories that whatever the success they will have and their new gym will be, of course, it still came from the original gym. Yeah.
I'm happy, no?
Yeah.
I'm very proud if they produce again one, ganun pa.
Yeah.
We're, dito lang tayo naman sa atin sa Benguet.
Yeah.
Magiging proud ako.
Yeah, exactly.
Kung ano yung success ng isa. It's our success. Yun nga sinabi ko nung una eh.
Yeah.
Kung yung success natin ay retired na ganito, kung success nila, belt nyo yan, belt nating lahat.
Yes, exactly.
Ano pa bang at the end of the day, ano bang gusto natin?
Yeah.
Everyone to become successful. Hindi yung ikaw lang magiging successful, yung mga iba wala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I admire the positivity that you have in handling the matter.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, and I hope everything will turn out fine. Like I said, kasi sa amin nga mga fans is we will just say, oh, it's okay, it's good kasi kakadwamot lang na kita. And then, yun nga, sabi ko, the competition will bring out the best out of each fighters. Kahit na may magkasalubong pa dyan na Landslide MMA or Team Lakay fighter maglalaban, it will bring out the best out of them. And we know that those guys who have been playing the sports, alam nilang walang personalan sa larong yan. It's just a sport.
Correct.
Yeah. So yun yung sinasabi natin. But then, sometimes people, especially fans, would like to bring up dramas. Yung mga ganun.
The purpose, I added, ito yung plan. The plan here is, after the mediation sana, we will bring out na sa press con, mga ganyan. To settle, para mawala na yung mga, diba? Mawala na yung mga haka-haka.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Yes.
Mawala na yung para, syempre, andyan na. Magsilabasan na yung mga, kung ano, yung mga naisip ng mga fans natin, mga supporters.
Yes.
And I alone, ayaw kong ganun. Kaya nga sabi ko sana, kung matapos yung usapan doon, kakaroon tayo ng press con together with them if they want.
Yes. Yeah.
Just to settle everything.
So that's a nice plan.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I hope, like I said, I hope everything will turn out fine.